Ever been in the middle of a thrilling Neon match, only to see that dreaded low balance warning pop up? Don't let your fun be interrupted. In this video, we'll show you the easiest ways to top up your Neon account and get back to the action in no time. Neon offers a variety of ways to play, from thrilling competitive matches to casual social games. But to enjoy the full experience, you need a stable account balance. Topping up is quick and simple, and we'll guide you through the entire process. Method 1. In-app purchase. The most convenient way to top up is directly within the Neon app itself. Open the Neon app and navigate to the Shop or Store section. Choose the desired top-up amount. Neon usually offers a range of options to suit different budgets. Select your preferred payment method. This could include credit card, debit card, or mobile money options. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Once the payment is successful, your Neon account will be instantly credited. Method 2. Online payment platforms. Many online payment platforms offer convenient Neon top-up options. Visit the website or app of your chosen platform, e.g., PayPal, Google Pay, etc. Search for Neon top-up or look for games or entertainment options. Enter your Neon account ID or username. Select the desired top-up amount and proceed with the payment. The funds will usually be credited to your account within a few minutes. Method 3. Mobile money operators. If you prefer using mobile money services, many operators offer direct Neon top-up options. Check with your mobile money provider for specific instructions. You might need to use a USSD code or visit their mobile app or website. Follow the prompts to enter your Neon account details and the desired top-up amount. Confirm the transaction using your mobile money PIN. The funds will be added to your Neon account shortly. Important tips. Double-check your account information before making any payments to avoid errors. Keep your payment details secure and avoid sharing them with unauthorized individuals. If you encounter any issues, contact Neon customer support for assistance. Topping up your Neon account is a breeze. With these simple methods, you can ensure you always have enough credits to enjoy the game to the fullest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.